We usually find that our customers fall into one of these three buckets. First off, they're utilizing headhunters or recruiting agencies. While this is a good way to take some recruiting off your plate, in an industry like the trades, it often results in customers overpaying for candidates that may be more likely to turn over. Secondly, they're using staffing or subcontractors. While this provides flexibility, it can also be costly and doesn't provide the greatest experience for the worker. Lastly, companies are trying to do it themselves via job boards, referrals, social media. This can be effective if you have multiple employees working on this full time, but it doesn't eliminate the costs associated with ghosting or the inconsistency of job boards. Also, as your business spikes in demand, there may be a limit in how much your recruiting team can flex up or scale back. Classet's goal is to deliver the best of all three of these: the quality of candidates from the retained search, the flexibility of staffing, and the cost savings of the do-it-yourself method. We do this by providing a predictable number of qualified candidates that actually meet what you're looking for on a monthly basis.